Alright, here we go. Another Youngsters Gold Edition unboxing. I'll make this quick. And in the description, I'll add what each piece is and about how much I think it's worth. Let's see what we have. They guaranteed that something in this box should be worth over 50 bucks on Amazon, but it came very light. Let's see. We've got a Mophie juice pack power station for quick charge for an iPhone or an iPod. I got one of these in the last junk boxes. Seems like there are a lot of repeat offenders for these Youngsters junk boxes. They don't get all their junk out in 1 month. This is a motion sensor nightlight. I don't really have any use for it, but I'm sure I can give it to somebody that will. This is some Iron Man Yurbuds earbuds. I also want to say I got some of these in a past junk box. And finally, a mini drone. A rolling white spider mini drone. I guess that's not a bad haul altogether for $24.99 plus shipping. I'll have to go back and check. I may redo the video now that everything's open, make it smoother. But this has been another Youngsters Gold Edition unboxing. Until next time, leave your comments below. Subscribe if you feel like it.